Artemis II, the mission taking humans back toward the moon, is delayed. Here's what you need to know. During the Artemis II wet race rehearsal preparations, NASA team detected a hydrogen leak during fueling operations, forcing a delay. The wet race rehearsal is a full countdown test where the Space Launch System rocket is loaded with supercooled liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, just like on launch day. The goal is to validate fueling procedures, ground equipment, and the entire countdown timeline before committing to a real launch attempt. The countdown reached about T minus 5 minutes and 15 seconds when the ground sequencer automatically terminated the test after hydrogen levels exceeded safety limits at a connection point feeding the core stage. Teams had already loaded cryogenic liquid hydrogen and oxygen into the rocket's tank and were simulating launch conditions. But the leak forced NASA to pause and drain the rocket for safety. Because of this, NASA has pushed Artemis II's launch out of the February window and is now targeting March 2026 as the next earliest possible launch opportunity.